Hello guys, welcome to another piano on this e-series. Guys, I'll just be bringing you a lot. Alright, so today I'll be teaching you how to, set worship on this piano. Right, worship is very essential in the life of every Christian. Okay, the Bible says that worshiping God is like praying twice. Okay, all right, so to do this, all right, so when you on the piano, all right, when you put the piano, normally your voice comes to this piano here, Lee, all right, it's L with an exclamation mark, then grand piano, all right. So I don't know how to put it. Is it lick? Okay, lick grand piano, we can call it like that. So my first voice I'm gonna choose, right? So we are going to dual as well. So the first voice I'll choose, I'll go to this die button here. I'll go to grand piano, all right. So I'm on grand piano, which is voice number 2. That's our voice that we'll choose. Now the second thing that we do is we go to function. Right, when we go to function here, this is our function. When we press on function, so what I want to do is to dual. Okay, all right, so this is our grand piano, all right, without any voice, dual. So D volume there means dual volume. I go to dual voice. Okay, means dual voice. So I'll take enter. So if I take enter, all right, they will say, so if I come, this is the default voice that I have to dual with strings, which is number 179. Okay, 179. All right. So if I come here and I press dual, you now get the strings. Okay, all right. This was it without the dual. All right, now the strings. All right, but this is not the voice I want to use. There are many voices. The main one many people use is one part. All right, and one part on this piano is on voice number 661. There are other voices that we can use. I want to put one part, which is voice number 661. So I'll just come, it's either unlock the number button and just press here, or I just come to this die button there and go straight. Okay, I just go fast. Okay, on number 661. Okay, 661 will not take us time. All right, we are already there. That's 661. Okay, 661. All right, we see one part there. All right. So if I take dual here, so this is without the dual voice. Now if I dual, right now the volume is very low. So what I'll do is I come here and I increase the volume. Okay, so if I increase the dual volume here, I'll come on function. Okay, okay, I'll go to dual voice, dual volume, and I take enter. Okay, the volume is 45. I increase it up to 100. Okay, 115. Okay, right now you can get the dual volume. Right, this is it without the dual volume. Now with the dual volume, this is what you get. Right, you can increase it even more. Okay, so right, get the dual volume as you want. Okay, that's one. I can put it limit to 120. Okay, so the last thing that you do is you put your sustain, because here sustain is not there. I left my sustain pedal in church. You can just plug it behind. So if you don't have a sustain, you just come here on function, you press on function as we did in our previous lesson. You press on function there. Okay, when you press on function, okay, we see dual volume, you increase. Okay, we can come back. You see M release, you take enter. Okay, we take enter, then we see 64, we can increase this. All right, this is without the M release. The volume is low, so I'll increase it to sustain the sound. That's the way we sustain sound here. All right, so right, we can reduce it up to maybe 100. All right, let me see, 100. Okay, 100 is good. All right, guys, so with this your Alright guys, so with this you can play your worship without any problem. Alright guys, our worship setting is now ready, so we can play something. We give you all the glory, worship. Alright guys, so that is how when you set worship on this piano, it's so beautiful and guys, so elegant. Alright guys, do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you abundantly.